What's up, internet? Today we're gonna see how to remove the seat from the zx10r keys. Firstly, you're removing the rear seat, which the lock for it is right here. Pretty sure you know that. Remove this, and then the trick is underneath this plastic piece right here. There is a plate. This itself sits on two studs. So you pull it out and you pull it out, and this one came out with a little rubber insert, which really shouldn't happen. We'll just slide that back in there real quick, but now you know what to watch out for, I guess. And then really the catch is this plate right here. Let me grab a flashlight, y'all can see better. All right, so the trick is this plate sits on those two studs, they're underneath here, and to move it out, you slide it to the right and just move it to the back, and it slides out. Get this guy out, see? So those two were holding the plastic, and it itself sits on the other two studs that the seat sits on. Right there, look, right there, one, right there two. So now you just pick it up, move it to the back, and move it out like that. Loops are holding on to these two studs, the same ones that are this plate is sliding on. And that's how you remove a seat from the zx10r. Hopefully that helps for everybody. The review for the FTR 2022 is coming. I'm gonna make it right now. I'm gonna record it as soon as I finish my coffee. Oh, I guess I'm gonna make it right now.